Today we're making Gyeran-ppang, Korean egg bread, one of Korea's classic winter street snacks, and we are making it at home. I'll also show you a quick look at another popular winter snack, bungeoppang, a fish-shaped pastry. Both the street stall version, being made fresh, and the frozen version you can heat up at home. Fun fact, CNN actually listed Gyeran-ppang as one of the world's 50 best breads. Yes, this simple Korean street snack made the global list next to baguettes and ciabatta. They called it a buried treasure because of the whole egg baked inside. Not bad for a street snack, right? Compared to when I was younger, there are definitely fewer street stalls in Korea now. But even taking that into account, it's surprisingly hard to find places that sell egg bread these days. The last time I clearly remember having one might have been about 15 years ago. Of course, if I really tried, I could probably find a shop somewhere, but it's no longer the kind of snack you just stumble upon naturally while walking down the street. Maybe that's why making it at home feels a little more special now. When I was younger, the egg bread I had usually only had an egg inside. These days, though, you can also find versions with cheese or even corn added, just like the one we made in this video. Now let's move on to bungeoppang. I thought some of you might not have seen how it's made before, so I asked for permission and filmed the process for you. At the street stall, we bought the red bean and custard flavors. The frozen ones we have at home are cheese and red bean. I heat the frozen ones in the air fryer and show them to you as well. The larger one on the left is from the street stall, and the one on the right is the frozen product. You can clearly see the difference, right? Let's compare how they look. Did you enjoy today's video? It feels like winter is slowly coming to an end here in Korea. How is it where you are? Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.